Hello everyone, I'm Poorvika. I'm studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology in Computer Science and Business System branch, and I am here to present about the innovation and design thinking presentation uh, on the topic automatic streetlight control system. Here we see the table of contents. Why this idea, about this introduction, how it works, list of components, circuit diagram, advantages and disadvantages, applications and conclusion. Why this idea? The unnecessary use of energy. There is no use of street light in the daytime. Introduction. Reducing the wastage of power. LDR is very useful in light and dark sensor. The circuit is normally, the resistance of a LDR is very high, something as 1 into 10 raised to 5 ohms. How it works? When light falls on LDR, it shows its minimum resistance voltage drops across LDR less than voltage of transistor. So no current will go from the collector to the emitter and transistor remains off. It automatically switches on lights when sunlight goes below the visible region of our eyes. The list of components. One LDR is used and two transistors of range BC547 NPN are used, and three resistors of 1K 330 ohm is used, and one LED and one PCB and one power supply of 6 or 9 voltage is used. The transistor BC547 has an emitter terminal, a base terminal and a collector terminal. The current flowing from the base to the emitter controls the collector current. LDR, light dependence resistor, an electronic component whose resistance decreases with increase in incident light intensity, used in the potential divider setup with a second regular resistor. And the resistor, the flow of current used across the resistor device, adjustable resistor are referred as potentiometers. And a battery is used. The battery is a device that is able to store electrical energy. PCB board, printed circuit board, mechanically supports and electronic connects components using conductive tracks. And it is the circuit diagram representation. Advantages: energy saving, low cost, safety and security, automated operation. Disadvantages are it has limitations of power. Light turns on when the shadow falls on the LDR. LED is a low voltage device. Applications: it is used in street light application and domestic applications. Conclusion: in coming days, this will prove a great boon to the country since it will save a lot of electricity of power plant that gets wasted in illuminating the street lights. As a conclusion, around 77 to 81% of the power consumption can be reduced by using this system towards providing a solution for energy saving. Thank you.